Good morning, children. How are you? In our last lesson, we have seen what is chess game, what are its rules, from where has it been invented, how to play the game. Everything we have seen in our last lesson, the wonderful world of chess. Today, we are going to study a poem about chess, children. What kind of a game it is, how people enjoy it. Everything we are going to see in the poem chess. Of all the games and sports you know, in which event do players get hurt most? You have to think, children, about it. In which event do players argue, scold one another, or sometimes fight? In what way chess is different from such games? See, whenever you are playing games, we get so many times we indulge in fights, we indulge in some kind of different things. Okay, but when we are playing chess, we need to concentrate completely on the game of chess. We can't uh, leave our concentration, children. We have to give complete concentration, and there is no time to fight because it is our mind game. Yes, it is a war of mind, it is a war of peace. Okay, there is no fights. So let us see the poem chess. I like to think chess is a courteous game. I play it with family and friends. I like to think chess is a peaceful game. Nobody gets hurt when it ends. I never distract my opponent. I don't want to act like a pest. I hope they behave in the very same way, so both of us play at our best. I know chess is not really gentle, it's more like a war or a fight. I always shake hands at the start and the end so we can stay friends day and night. On the board we are enemies, off the board we are friends. On the board there's never peace, but that is just pretend. On the board we are enemies, off the board we are friends. On the board there's never peace, but off the board I hope for the peace that never ends. I like to think chess is a courteous game. I play it with family and friends. I like to think chess is a peaceful game. Nobody gets hurt when it ends. Okay, children, now let us see the poem Chess. I like to think chess is a courteous game. I play it with family and friends. So, chess is a courteous game, children. That means we play it with respect. Okay, and we play it with family and friends. I like to think chess is a peaceful game. It is a peaceful game. There are no fights. Nobody gets hurt when it ends. That means when you are playing some physical games, you will get some hurt, children. When you are playing carom also, your finger pains. But when you are playing chess, children, you won't get hurt. I never distract my opinion. I don't want to act like a pest. So he never distracts his opponent, and he don't want to act like a pest. Pest means an insect which disturbs others. An insect which disturbs others. So you don't want to act like that. I hope they behave in the very same way. So both of us play at our best. So both the players will be playing for themselves. They don't distract others. I know chess is not really gentle. So it's not an easy game. It's not a gentle game. It requires many tactics, children. It requires your mind to be fresh. It requires your intelligence. It's not gentle. It's more like a war or a fight. It's definitely a war, children. It is a war between two armies. Okay, where we kill each other on the board, not really. I always shakes hand at the start and at the end. That means they shake hand as friends in the starting and at the end also, because it's just a board game. They need not fight in reality. Only on board they fight. So we can stay friends day and night. On the board we are enemies. Off the board we are friends. That means when they are playing game, they are enemies. This king army is going to kill other armies. Other army people. Other army people are going to kill this army people. On the board there's never peace, but that is just pretend. It is only a game. And on the board there never peace, but off the board I hope for peace that never ends. What is it telling? On the board they are enemies, they are fighting with each other. But off the board they are friends. On the board there is never peace, but off the board always peace is there between both the friends, and which will never end. I like to think chess is a courteous game. It is a friendly game which is played with respect, children. Courteous means I play it with family and friends. I like to think chess is a peaceful game. Nobody gets hurt when it ends. You understand that nobody is going to get any hurt. Yes, we are going to play the game in a peaceful way. Did you all understand, children? Yes. What is your work? You have to write meanings, hard words, and write the poem also, children. In good handwriting, you have to write the poem also in your notebook, children. Okay, children? Thank you. Take care.